Hey Luxfluent family, ready to explore Mumbai's most breathtaking sky villa? Subscribe now for more stunning home tours, and let's dive in. Number 1. Grand Layout Sky Villa Living in the Sky. Imagine stepping into nearly 3,800 square feet of pure elegance, a full-floor residence that unfolds like a luxury villa in the sky. This sky villa offers the privacy and space of a standalone home while taking advantage of high-rise living. Wide hallways and thoughtfully aligned sightlines lead your gaze straight to the expansive wraparound balcony, which graciously encircles the living area. The private elevator lobby opens directly into this residence, creating a sense of anticipation and exclusivity. It feels less like an apartment and more like a custom-designed mansion, with every detail showcasing architectural ingenuity and a seamless sense of flow. Number 2. Natural light and cross ventilation. This residence breathes with natural light and fresh air. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels flood the interior with sunlight during the day, creating a bright and uplifting atmosphere that connects you to the sky outside. On either side of the living areas, strategically positioned windows and sliding doors facilitate cross-ventilation, drawing breezes through the living room, dining space, and bedrooms. In a warm climate like Mumbai's, this not only enhances comfort, but also reduces reliance on artificial climate control and lighting. The result is a living experience that feels fresh, eco-aware, and pleasantly natural. Number 3. Dining and entertaining. A crystal-accented social hub. The dining space is a standout feature, centered beneath a magnificent crystal chandelier. This elegant centerpiece creates a visual anchor that transforms the room into a sophisticated hub, bright and inviting during the day, intimate and luminous at night. This room is designed to be versatile, ready to host everything from grand dinner parties to relaxed family meals. Sliding doors effortlessly connect the interior dining area to the balcony, extending the entertaining space outdoors. Ideal for brunches, sunset cocktails, or late-night gatherings under the stars. It's a space that encourages people to come together and create memorable moments. Number 4. Kitchen designed for gourmet aspirations. The open-plan kitchen maintains the same high standards of design and functionality. Outfitted with premium, fully integrated appliances, it caters to serious cooking while maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Custom-built cabinetry blends seamlessly with polished hardware, hiding storage behind sleek surfaces. Expansive countertops are perfect for meal preparation or hosting informal gatherings around a casual breakfast nook. The layout keeps the resident connected to the living and dining areas, whether preparing a feast or enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a space crafted for both living and hosting with flair. Number 5. Warm interiors. Wood, texture, and accents. Stepping further inside, you feel the warmth and texture that define this residence. Rich wood paneling adds depth and character, balancing the gleaming fixtures and glass with a grounded, tactile quality. Decorative accents, cushions, rugs, artwork introduce subtle color and personality against a neutral backdrop. Enriched by natural light, custom-built millwork throughout the space delivers both practicality and style. Integrated bookshelves, hidden compartments, and recessed lighting create a streamlined and elegant finish. There's a clear sense of curation in every corner, where luxury feels lived in and purposeful. Number 6. Bedrooms, retreats of style and serenity. The villa comprises several bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with both comfort and aesthetics in mind. Hallways with sound-insulating walls maintain privacy between living and sleeping areas. The master suite stands out with marble-accented walls that convey a spa-like mood. Its large California bed rests on rich flooring, flanked by mood lighting for an immersive experience. Glass doors open onto a private section of the balcony, inviting fresh air and morning light into a peaceful retreat. The effect is a calming sanctuary where luxury meets rest, an oasis elevated above the city. Number 7. Panoramic views, sea and city, day to night. The views from this villa are transformative, with generous balcony access from both the living areas and the master suite. You're treated to sweeping vistas of the Arabian Sea, stretching to the horizon. Sunlight shimmers on the waves by day. By night, the city skyline comes alive with thousands of lights, echoing Mumbai's vibrant pulse. These expansive views offer much more than scenery. They provide daily inspiration, relaxation, and a connection to life outdoors. In real estate, such dual vistas of ocean and skyline enhance both lifestyle and market value. Number 8. Premium finishes and materials. Luxury here is woven into every surface. polished marble floors in the bathrooms, high-quality hardwood panels in living spaces, and tempered glass balcony railings are just a few of the opulent touches. Fixtures in chrome and brass offer timeless sophistication, while built-in features such as concealed cabinets and soft lighting lend a tailored feeling. The color palette remains neutral, creating a canvas for both personal accents while preserving a serene, refined atmosphere. It's an environment where every finish supports both beauty and durability. Number 9. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. One of the villa's signature features is the smooth transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The wraparound balcony is more than a viewing platform. It acts as an extension of the home itself. Ample room here allows for outdoor seating, container gardening, or even a small yoga area under the open sky. Large sliding doors erase boundaries, blending interior luxury with outdoor freshness. In a tropical city, this design celebrates the best of both worlds, giving residents a private haven with room to breathe. Number 10. Market positioning and investment appeal. This property stands firmly in the ultra-luxury segment of Mumbai's real estate market, with a listing price between 32 and 38 crore, approximately $4 to $5 million. It caters to a select clientele seeking unparalleled living in South Mumbai. This area, home to neighborhoods like Altamount and Worli, is synonymous with prestige, exclusivity, and proximity to cultural institutions, top schools, and high-end shopping. Sky villas like this one are scarce, commanding significant interest and strong resale potential. Its combination of size, privacy, and opulence makes it a lasting investment as much as a dream home. Number 11. Privacy and lifestyle perks. Behind the grandeur lies a suite of practical lifestyle benefits. A private elevator foyer ensures secure, direct access to your residence. The layout invites you to host guests while maintaining personal boundaries, thanks to discrete separation of public and private zones. The kitchen supports both casual and staff-assisted entertaining, with dedicated parking, thoughtful acoustic planning, and refined fittings. Every aspect of daily living is taken care of. This residence isn't just for showcasing, it's built for living well, from sunrise coffee to late-night entertainment. Number 12. Why this Sky Villa is special. What makes this Sky Villa truly remarkable is how it resolves conflicting demands. Ample space inside within the compact environment of a vertical tower, merging plush finishes with functional sturdiness, and aligning an urban interior with the ease of the outdoors. Here, lofty villa standards meet high-rise advantage, location, security, and convenience. The result is an innovative residence that feels both expansive and intimate, a rare gem, perhaps even a benchmark in Mumbai's luxury landscape. Which part had you swooning? Wraparound balcony or marble master suite? Let's chat in the comments, and don't miss the next tour. Hit that upper right video and subscribe. Get fluent, stay fluent.